How to mine cryptocurrency coins. Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency Mining. Interested in mining Bitcoins and other coins and earning some extra cryptocurrency? In this beginner's guide to cryptocurrency mining, we'll walk you through the steps of mining cryptocoin using your computer and graphics card. Before we continue, please subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video with your friends, and hit notifications button. Step 1. Choose your mining hardware. To start mining Bitcoin, other coins, you'll need a computer with a powerful graphics card, GPU. The better your GPU, the more hash power you'll have, which means more chances of mining a block and earning cryptocoin name. You can also use specialized mining hardware called ASICs, but these can be expensive and difficult to obtain. Bitcoin mining is no longer profitable using graphics cards, GPUs, alone. Bitcoin mining requires specialized mining hardware called ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, which are specifically designed for the purpose of Bitcoin mining. These ASICs are much more powerful and efficient than GPUs for Bitcoin mining, and they are the only way to mine Bitcoin profitably in today's market. However, if you are interested in mining other cryptocurrencies that are still profitable to mine using GPUs, then the suitable graphics card for mining will depend on a variety of factors, such as the algorithm used by the cryptocurrency, the power consumption of the graphics card, the cost of the graphics card, and the availability of the graphics card. Some popular graphics cards for mining cryptocurrencies include the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti, AMD Radeon RX 580, and AMD Radeon RX 570. These graphics cards offer a balance of performance, power consumption, and affordability for mining certain cryptocurrencies. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency mining market is constantly changing, and what might be profitable to mine today may not be profitable tomorrow. It's important to do your own research and calculate the potential profitability of mining a specific cryptocurrency before investing in any mining hardware. If you want to know how to invest in crypto, click the link above. Step 2. Download a mining software. Once you have your mining hardware, you'll need to download a mining software that is compatible with cryptocurrency coins. Some popular mining software options for crypto coins include Claymore's Dual Miner, Phoenix Miner, and T-Rex Miner. The best mining software for you will depend on what cryptocurrency you are mining, as different cryptocurrencies use different mining algorithms. Here are some of the most popular mining software options for different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin. CG Miner and BFG Miner are two of the most popular mining software options for Bitcoin. Both are command-line based and offer a range of features, including monitoring, overclocking, and Ethereum. Claymore's Dual Miner and Phoenix Miner are two popular mining software options for Ethereum. Both offer user-friendly interfaces and support for dual mining, meaning you can mine two different cryptocurrencies at the same time. Litecoin. CG Miner and Easy Miner are two popular mining software options for Litecoin. CG Miner is a command-line-based program that offers advanced features, while Easy Miner is a user-friendly graphical interface for CG Miner. To use mining software, follow these general steps. 1. Download the mining software from the developer's website. 2. Extract the files from the downloaded archive to a folder on your computer. 3. Open the mining software and configure it to connect to a mining pool. This will involve entering the pool's URL, username, and password. 4. Configure your graphics card settings, such as fan speed and clock speed, to optimize your hash rate and power consumption. 5. Start the mining software and monitor your mining progress. It's important to note that mining software can be resource-intensive and may slow down your computer. You should also monitor your graphics card's temperature and power consumption to ensure it doesn't overheat or draw too much power. Always do your research before downloading and using any mining software, and make sure you are using a reputable and trustworthy program. Step 3. Join a mining pool. Mining crypto coins on your own can be difficult and may take a long time to earn a block reward. Joining a mining pool can help increase your chances of earning crypto coins. A mining pool is a group of miners who work together to mine crypto coins and split the rewards among themselves based on their contribution to the pool's hash rate. Joining a mining pool typically involves the following steps. 1. Choose a mining pool. There are many mining pools to choose from, so you'll need to do some research to find one that suits your needs. Consider factors such as the pool's size, fees, payout methods, and reputation. 2. Register with the pool. Once you've chosen a pool, you'll need to create an account and register with the pool. This usually involves providing some personal information and creating a password. 3. Configure your mining software. You'll need to configure your mining software to connect to the pool. This typically involves specifying the pool's URL, port number, and your worker credentials. 4. Start mining. Once your software is configured, you should be able to start mining with the pool. Your mining rewards will be automatically credited to your account with the pool. It's important to note that different mining pools have different requirements and procedures for joining, so be sure to follow the instructions provided by your chosen pool. Additionally, make sure to carefully read the pool's terms and conditions to understand their policies on fees, payouts, and other important matters. Step 4. Configure your mining software. Once you've joined a mining pool, you'll need to configure your mining software with the pool's information, including the pool's URL, username, and password. Step 5. Start mining. Now that you have your mining hardware, software, and mining pool set up, you're ready to start mining CryptoCoin. Launch your mining software and watch as your computer starts generating hash power and contributing to the pool's hash rate. Mining CryptoCoin can be a profitable way to earn cryptocurrency. Just remember that mining can be energy intensive and may not be profitable for everyone. How to mine cryptocurrency with a phone is not recommended as it is not efficient and can damage your device. However, if you still want to try it out, here are some steps you can follow. Download a mining app. There are several mining apps available on the App Store or Play Store, such as MinerGate, CryptoMiner, and Neon Miner. Choose a cryptocurrency. Once you have downloaded the app, choose the cryptocurrency you want to mine. Some popular cryptocurrencies for mobile mining are Ethereum, Litecoin, and Monero. Join a mining pool. Joining a mining pool can increase your chances of earning cryptocurrency. A mining pool is a group of miners who combine their computing power to mine cryptocurrencies together. Start mining. Once you have chosen your cryptocurrency and joined a mining pool, you can start mining. Keep in mind that mining with a phone is not very efficient, and it may take a long time to earn a significant amount of cryptocurrency. Monitor your phone's temperature. Mining can generate a lot of heat, which can damage your phone. Make sure to monitor your phone's temperature and take breaks if necessary. Overall, mining cryptocurrency with a phone is not recommended as it is not efficient and can damage your device. It is better to invest in a dedicated mining rig if you are serious about mining cryptocurrency. Which phone specification can be used to mine crypto coins? Mining cryptocurrency requires high computational power, so the phone specification must be powerful enough to handle the process. However, it's not recommended to mine cryptocurrency on a phone, as it can cause overheating and damage to the device. That being said, here are some phone specifications to look for if you still want to attempt mining. Processor. Look for a phone with a powerful processor such as the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8XX series or the Apple A14 or A15 Bionic chip. RAM. The more RAM a phone has, the better it can handle the mining process. Look for a phone with at least 6 GB of RAM. Battery. Mining cryptocurrency requires a lot of power, so a phone with a large battery capacity is recommended. Cooling. As mentioned earlier, mining cryptocurrency generates a lot of heat, so a phone with good cooling technology can help prevent damage to the device.